like somebody threw a lay down there.
This whole thing is a Caldero too, huh? This whole rim of
Used to
it.
be all full of fire. Here's the history of it right here.
Or is this all the Caldero? Right, all this? Or
Yeah, we're all over it. It's called a crater rim. We're on the crater rim right here. And you see how it is stages. It's higher here. Then you go down a little bit more and it's lower. And then you go over there and it gets lower.
yeah, it's like a tree just right here.
Yeah, it's a caldera.
That's cool.
Which is basically a pockmark. If you were a pimple, you'd be a pockmark. But here's the history of it right here. Except they don't have it. They don't have 1987 and 96 because they did have some